Wait! Before you get started creating the life of your dreams, you're gonna get a chance to design your dream lifestyle even faster. First off, I want to thank you for purchasing the guide to creating your dream lifestyle and joining the new rich. If you follow the step-by-step guide, you'll be well on your way to living anywhere, loving life, and truly living a life that most only dream of living. But what if I told you that there was a shortcut to the shortcut? What if there was a way to make big strides towards living your dream life faster than by just going through the PDF guide you just purchased? And what if you could build a life that's even better than you ever imagined? Although the PDF guide is extremely easy to follow and is written in a very step-by-step format, some people learn better by watching than by reading. What about you? How do you prefer to learn? Are you okay just reading a guide, or are you a visual learner that often gets better results by watching something? If you're like the majority of the population, watching a video makes learning much easier. Did you know that most people that buy books or text-based guides don't even complete them? And the ones that do get through the guide or book rarely follow through and apply what they learn. But what if you didn't have to choose between just a text-based guide or something more? What if you could get the best of both worlds and get a complete video training course in addition to the PDF guide that you purchased? Something that would take you by the hand and really show you how to build the life of your dreams, regardless of where you are today. The good news is you're going to have the opportunity to create the life of your dreams faster than you ever thought was possible today. Introducing the video version of the Guide to Lifestyle Design. My mission is to help you build the life of your dreams as quickly as possible. But I must make it 100% clear. It's the little details that make all the difference when it comes to lifestyle design. If you miss a step in the process or do things the wrong way, you may not be able to leave your current job as quickly as you would like to. Or worse, you could find yourself stuck. You could end up as one of those people with big dreams of living life on your own terms, but never actually being able to do anything about it. That's why it's crucial you soak in everything from the lifestyle design guide you just purchased. If you want to design your dream lifestyle as quickly as possible, it's important that you pay close attention to important details like getting started with lifestyle design and fully understanding what it's all about, learning the various types of digital nomads, how to plan your income needs as you move into the lifestyle of your dreams, and the steps you must take before you take the plunge and leave your current life. If you miss just one step while planning your new lifestyle, you could find yourself wasting a lot of time, taking much longer than you need to finally change your life, or the worst case scenario is never actually doing anything to change your life. Sadly, many people talk a lot about living a dream lifestyle, but just don't know the exact steps needed to take action and really build that dream life. But when you follow the video upgrade to lifestyle design, it's much easier to stay focused on your goal of building the life of your dreams. Upgrading guarantees you'll learn how to create your dream lifestyle with minimal bumps and the fastest path to success. Click the button below to get instant access. And of course, as an existing and valued customer, you'll get access to the upgrade with special customer-only discounted pricing. When you consider that this is truly the next best thing to having a lifestyle design expert showing you exactly how to create your dream life, it would be easy to charge $1,000 or more for this video upgrade, and it would be worth every penny. But you won't pay anywhere near that when you make the wise decision to upgrade right now. Plus, when you take action today, you're also going to get an exclusive bonus of 10 high-quality audio MP3s of all the training. This makes it easy to plan your escape while you're on the go and make sure you get results as quickly as possible. When you add the MP3s to the 10 high-quality videos that show you how to finally create the lifestyle of your dreams, it's impossible to fail when you upgrade. Not to mention, you get to test drive this upgrade for the next 30 days. With absolutely zero risk. If for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what you learn inside, simply send us an email and we'll refund every single penny of your tiny investment. No questions asked. But please don't wait. This is an exclusive one-time offer at pricing that's only available to our existing customers. If you wait, you may never get another chance to get access to this at a price this low. Click the button below to get instant access today.